Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and test out the BugMD. This is the pest control kit. And I got to tell you something right here. It's a plant-based ingredients. Really good. You could get rid of bugs directly contact with ants, ticks, fleas, bed bugs, mites, roach, spiders, fleas. You got to make sure you spray them right on the spot and get rid of them very easy and safe. Got good reviews on Amazon, and you can see the big spray bottles, concentrated solution right here. Price and details, check in the description box below. This is a really good company, got good reviews. Wow, look at this. I love this. Why I love this? I love the color, I love everything. And I love you right here. It tells you how to mix it, tells you how to get rid of all the bugs and the pests and everything nice and neatly. I love how they're really nice with this box right here. You could always give a friend or family. This could be like a gift stuff. I love this bottle. Is nice. This is a good spray bottle. Look at this. I get excited with spray bottles. I'm a big fan. And then we got our two solution right here that we're going to mix. And it tells you right how to mix. It tells you right here you're going to mix one bottle concentrated with a 24 ounce of cold water. And then we're going to shake it well. And as we mix those, shake it. All right, so we're going to put this in our spray bottle with water and mix it up. All right, so I mix up one of the solution here. I'm shaking it up really good, and the spray bottle is pretty cool. Look at that. See that? Spray right away. So this does not smell bad or anything like yucky or anything, but it's good. The bottle is really good. So now we got a lot of ants and a lot of bugs, which I have to get rid. And this thing here you could use anywhere around your yard or indoor, because we have a lot of spiders and a lot of ants. So even like the ants nest, we're gonna find some ants. Look at them right there, right? Can you guys see them? Oh, look at them running. Oh, they're running. That's good. Listen, we need stuff like this. Summertime here, we got a lot of bad spiders and a lot of bad bugs and pests around. And we got to get rid of them safely and nicely, in a way. So this will do the job. So right here on my patio, their ants are just building all their homes and stuff. And you can see a lot of them right there. So we're going to spray. Man, they're just running. Tired of these ants. And the kids are afraid of these ants. So we need this. Oh, this is so easy to use. Listen, there's a lot of bug stuff out there. Definitely. You got to try something with a plant base. I will definitely go with this. So another way you could use this, you could spray it right here on the surface. So another thing, if your animal has a lot of fleas and ticks, you could spray. Stand back about at least about 8 to 12 inches apart and spray from the tail all the way up to their head. But do not spray their eyes. If they have any cuts and stuff, do not spray there. And then after you leave it, get out all that stuff, and then you could wash it off later on to rinse the dog out later on and stuff. Read the direction, check in the description box for all the details and even price and how you could get your hands on refills and this product and stuff. It's a good product. Literally, I saw the ants and start running. I do not have any bugs right now, but I got a lot of dogs, so they are going to be ready for flea time coming up soon. So as we deal or come in with any of the fleas, I will show you guys in the upcoming videos that how we do the whole step with this. So that's good, and it's a good thing because it's a plant base and it's easy stuff and it's safe stuff that use against any bugs or pests. So as you see right here too, it shows you right there all roach and all that stuff. Get rid of all of them, man. Inside, outside, get rid of all of these pests safely. And the price is not bad, and it got good review. Listen, good stuff right here from Product Zone. Thumbs up. Check in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. We got a lot of unboxing and product review coming up.